12, 13.
Okay, that's good.
Reach the Iron River Police Department. If you have an emergency, please hang up and call 911. For all non-emergency police services, please call 875-6669. To leave a message for an officer, you may do so after the beep. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Do you remember the number? I'll just keep it rolling. We'll try it again. Get that number.
You've reached the Iron River Police Department. If you have an emergency, please hang up and call 911. For all non-emergency police services, please call 875-6669. To leave a message for an officer, you may do so after the beep. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up.
Now I'm going to call that other number.
Central Dispatch Woods.
Hi, is Laura Frizzo there?
No, this is Iron County Central Dispatch.
Well, how do
Can I
I...
get a message to her?
Pardon?
Can I get a message to her to call you back?
No, because I want to call her, and if that's possible.
Okay, well, her office number, do you have that already?
I called the number 265-4321,
Right,
and all I got was an answering machine.
right. She's not in the office
Okay,
all the time. And when she's out, you're going to get an answering machine.
okay. Yeah, because basically I had, some information on suspicious activity on 10/14 when that Christopher Reagan went missing. So, I hope are you recording me? I hope, because I'm recording too, for my own protection.
Is this something you want to tell me, or is it something that...
Well, hopefully if you can record this and give this to, is Laura Frizzo the chief, or what?
Laura Frizzo is the chief of the Iron River Police Department.
Okay.
I dispatch for her as well as the sheriff and MSP and ambulance and fire.
Okay, good. So I hope you're recording. Are you recording?
Yes, but not for the purpose, I guess, that you're requesting. It's not something that we can give over to Chief Frizzo.
Okay. Well, I want to, report some activity.
There's a recorder over at her office. That's not something you want to leave on there?
Well, I could, but I'd rather talk to her direct because I can't leave my phone number because I'm at risk for disclosing the information that I have because I believe there was foul play, and I believe that there were some police officers involved in the foul play with the disappearance of both parties that went missing on October 14th. So,
Okay.
so it's pretty, it's pretty risky because I was stalked on October 14th by the Marquette County Sheriff after reporting to the FBI some suspicious activity of some court cases that I'm involved in. So at any rate, I was listed as deceased in the 25th Circuit Court in Marquette, Michigan, and
Okay.
and so there was cause to harm me, and I was stalked by the sheriff on October 14th after disclosing the fact that they had me listed as deceased in the court record for a tax foreclosure case. And I fit the description of Todd Trudeau. He's one of the parties who went missing, and then the other guy that went missing. There was a story on TV6 about two men who went missing, and then one of the men allegedly went to Missouri and then was trying to find a carpool to Florida, and it's highly unlikely. It's almost as if the story was created as some type of an alibi after they might have harmed Todd Trudeau, but I was stalked on that particular day by the sheriff after disclosing to the FBI.
What did they want with Todd, or do you feel it's mistaken identity and they thought it was you?
Yeah, I think it was mistaken identity because I fit his description, and they are after me. They stalked me 3 times, and I have affidavits in the federal files now just regarding this because they want to steal my land, and they've already created chancery bootleg deeds for my land, and then want to steal all my property and my father's personal property, which they did, and our personal records and case files and stuff were submitted under color of law authority in office to a corporation named Vending Inc., which was that corporation was silently placed in a lawsuit by a party, my cousin actually, who a law firm had slipped my legal description of our house into their lawsuit without disclosing this corporation by stealth to steal our house. And so I'm a power of attorney for my father, and I'm an attorney in fact pro se for myself, and I have the ability to defend myself powerfully in lawsuits, and I file counterclaims, and I won 3 counterclaims recently against the county,
Which county?
Marquette.
Okay.
So they owe me a lot of money, and I need to, I have default entries on them, but they keep falsifying claims against me. And recently, they stole my car. I was pulled over for a cracked windshield, and my car that I bought from my brother was just confiscated and given to my cousin's husband, and they never bought the car. I bought the car from my brother, and now I just got an attorney, and so now, we're going to be in court over that. So there's just a lot of theft going on here, and they're harming people. And one of the guys that went missing, he had lost personal property to some attorney, and possibly an estate that was headed in his direction. And he had
Which
lit
one was that?
Todd Trudeau. So he needed to get to the probate court, and I actually told him to go to the Register of Actions and get a copy of the docket in the case file if he wanted to file an action for his missing property. But he lived on the 4th floor of Pine Ridge Apartments, and that's where my cousin lived, and I'd go to her apartment, and we have about the same 200 pounds, 5'9" or 5'10", and we're both like in our early 50s. And on a shot on TV6, he kind of looked like me a little bit. So since they stalked me on New Year's Eve and on the day he went missing, and on August 22nd, I have these affidavits, and it's all in the case files on my various cases that I'm working on. I thought I'd disclose the suspicious activity when the FBI had threatened me when I was in their office, claiming that, showing them the deceased claim they have against me, that I'm dead. And they've also someone listed my father as dead in Ancestry.com. And so there's this identity theft of us, so they could escheat our land to the state. And there was the title company for the Michigan Corporation, Title Check LLC, Martin Spalding, claimed I was deceased, and then went and auctioned off our property and sold over $86,000 worth of land alone in the small claims court, in a small claims court action. So, I mean, it's absolutely bizarre what happened. So I have all this evidence against these people. And
I think what you're going to want to do is Laura will be back in her office shortly. And I would keep trying maybe at intervals of 5 or 10 minutes.
Okay.
If you're not going to leave a message, and catch her in there then.
All right. What's your name?
My name is Lisa.
Lisa. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome.
Oh, God bless you. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.